Hello guys, it's Steve here. It is Saturday, October 14th, 2017. My friend Adrian should be coming over in just any time now. I don't know when. If you look outside, yep. Once again, it is fucking raining outside, so we can't go to the fucking ballpark again, which is ridiculous. You know, I really want to play baseball, but fucking, it's like every time my friend Adrian comes over, like, there's, you know, I mean, we only went to the ballpark 3 times to play baseball this entire year. Usually every year we go to the ballpark like 10 or more times. This year we only went like 3 times because either it'd be raining, it'd get too dark, or something would be wrong with the ballpark, or something, you know, would prevent us from playing baseball, which, you know, fucking ridiculous. I want to go to the ballpark and play baseball, but it has to rain again. Fuck that. Oh my god. So yeah, it's raining outside just like it was on Monday when I did that vlog. I don't know if this will be a long vlog. Me and Adrian may do what we did last time, just no, drive around, get something to eat, and that's it. I don't know. We're gonna watch a little bit of the Cubs-Dodgers game, but I don't know. And it's not even a special vlog, so if you get bored with my vlogs, well, then don't watch this then. Just saying. But I'll record more. Here's Adrian.
What's up, guys?
Introducing the Wrigley Field Proto by Original Grain. Featuring wood reclaimed from original Wrigley Field seats. More than a timepiece.
Uncle Steve. Uncle Steve. Yep. On the other day when we were hanging out, it was raining. And it has not changed at all. Nope. It's raining again. Oh well.
Let me have my cupcake first.
You do that. I'm gonna just.
I got a flat tire.
Oh yeah, that car over there, flat tire.
So I better get it fixed.
Ooh, lightning.
Must be a thunderstorm tonight.
Yep. Again, like you said, there's tornado warnings in
It's a tornado watch.
Yeah, a tornado watch in
Southern Illinois.
like what counties were they?
I believe it was LaSalle, Grundy, Kendall, Livingston, Lee.
All
Around those areas.
Yep, I wouldn't want to live in those counties, especially since they are country.
Yeah, countryside areas. No way. It's boring. Not much to do. And you're in high risk of dying in a tornado.
Yeah, and you know, there's nothing there. If you want to go to the store, well, there's no stores around or anything.
I don't even know how the country people live.
Yeah, I definitely wouldn't live in the country. It would take, you have to drive like hours just to get to the closest store or hospital or restaurant, wherever.
Clark Park. Line over there. I wonder if people are coming from work or whatever.
I don't know. It's a long
Does that guy look familiar on the left?
No.
Wendy's. The Kmart. So thinking about what
Had White Castle yesterday, so I'm gonna have something different. Because you don't want to eat the same thing every day. Speedway. What the hell? I could have swore the light was green and nobody was going.
Jeez, like, pay attention, the light's green.
Yeah.
Green means go, yellow means either speed up or slow down, depending on how far away you are from the light, and red means stop.
Exactly.
Jesus Christ. How is it it's against the law to cross the street when the light's red, but it's not against the law to stop at a green light? Well, that actually depends on how long you wait at the green light.
Honestly, I don't know. Some cars are just idiots.
It's not the car, it's the driver.
Yeah, that's what I meant to say. Obviously.
Sometimes it can be the car. It might be a breakdown.
Yeah. It could be a breakdown. The car could, act retarded.
Yeah, my truck is only 14 years old and it's built Ford tough and it's still going. I want to just drive this truck till it can't go anywhere anymore.
Yep.
Well, another car I want after this, I want one of those cars, newer cars that looks like the Batmobile, like a Chevy Corvette Stingray Z51. Either that, with a GMC Yukon Alley. I want, with the GMC Yukon Alley, I want either a Chevy Camaro ZL1 or something like that. A Chevy Corvette Stingray convertible. Or what the hell, even a Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat. Or even a Ford Mustang. I don't know.
Haunted Trails.
But I know another car I want with the GMC Yukon Alley is one of those newer Cadillac XTS's. White car, almond interior, wood grain trim.
Yeah.
JB Hunt truck?
I couldn't see who was in there.
God damn it. Why couldn't we be headed in that direction? Maybe it's not Uncle Buck. Oh crap, why is there a car behind me? Shit. Why me?
Uncle Bob. Hurry. Lightning.
See anybody in that truck, or was it too dark to tell?
It's too dark to tell.
southern, like down south, like Kendall County and Pontiac and all that stuff. Yorkville, where my friend Amy used to live, thank God she doesn't. They're under a tornado watch.
Yep. Glad we're not there.
Yeah. You know, traffic wouldn't be as bad.
Yeah, I agree. Bath tissues, $6.99. That noise.
Yeah, I know. I hasn't been doing that when we were here, when I was home. Like, I hear a whining noise. I don't know what the hell that is.
I don't know either.
Jeez Louise.
Poor boy.
Holy moly crock-a joke. What the hell is holy moly crock-a jokey?
I don't know, that's just something that I came up with a long time ago.
Holy moly crock-a jokey.
We heard that thunder.
Yeah. What if there was a man that sounded like this when he cried? Itsy bitsy spider!
I don't know. That's pretty weird. That White Castle doesn't have any tables inside of it.
Just drive-through. I don't know why it's laid out like that.
I don't know. Some places just don't have drive-throughs, or don't have
tables.
Tables.
Like that stupid laid out White Castle.
Man, I missed another really good lightning on camera. Oh well, I think there'll be more. What street is this?
Westbound on Roosevelt.
Ah, okay.
Somewhere in Maywood.
Okay.
Southwest Maywood.
Southwest Maywood.
See a semi-truck parked right now, and I wonder whose truck that is.
I wonder.
Does that man look familiar?
No.
Thank you. How some of the future men in your family are gonna sound when they cry. This Miami! Imagine them inside in the jail for glasses and bare body, and the guards get tired of him or her saying Miami. So he bangs on the cell door and like this. Stop saying Miami in there. First of all, this is how I sound when I cry. Second of all, I keep getting arrested for following my religion. It's my religion to go outside naked every Friday wearing glasses and bare body. Miami. I don't think there's one person in this world that sounds like Miami when he or she cries. Do you think there is?
I don't think so.
Holy mamma mia! Did you see that?
Yep.
Jeez Louise. Yeah, we're under a severe thunderstorm watch, alright.
For sure. I believe this is Westchester.
Yeah, it probably is. Westchester doesn't seem too bad of an area.
That's alright.
So. I would go to Elmhurst, but it's too far away.
Yeah.
We'll go there maybe another time. I'm too lazy to put gas in my car.
Yeah, we'll do some other
just
time.
a little over 4 tank. I don't know.
There, that's better. Better quality.
Yeah.
The quality was stupid autofocus. American actress, do 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 do. Call 1-800 to dream.
Is that a cop? Shit, it is a cop.
And they're not doing anything wrong.
Speed limit's 35 and I'm not even 35. I get most people slow down when they see a cop just because I want to make sure they're going the speed limit or disobeying the law. Crap, and the speed limit's 30. My bad.
Mobile. I know where this is at. We're definitely in Westchester. Car dealership. Mitsubishi. JC Jordan. LA Fitness.
Isn't that the place where
Yep.
your dad and Mr. G sat on each other's faces?
Yep. That's where they were at.
And Great Grandpa Kenny too.
Mazda.
And vintage Chevrolet.
Ford, get your smile on. LaGrange Road. That boy does everything for less.
Does that man look familiar?
Let's see. No.
Does that truck driver look familiar?
No. Yep, this is Bridgeview on 87th Street. Tony's Finer Foods.
I don't know if I want Brown's Chicken or
I don't know.
KFC. I don't know, I haven't had Brown's Chicken. Let's go to Brown's Chicken.
Yeah, that's what I kind of wanted. Haven't been to Browns in. I've been to Browns like a couple months ago. It's the last time I had that.
Yeah, I don't even remember the last time I had it.
So we're going to Browns instead of KFC.
Yeah. I like KFC, I just would rather go to Brown's. Brown's is right here anyways.
Yep, it's closer.
Yeah. Yeah, we got heavy rainfall here.
Over. Yeah, it is raining extremely hard.
Raining kits as well.
Here's our destination.
Yeah. Just need to find a perfect parking space that's not too far away.
Yep, right, we can park right by the door, right over here.
Yeah, let me back it in.
Uh-huh.
Damn, I wish I had a backup camera.
Alright, get ready. Oh shit, it is raining.
So it's raining out there, alright?
Oh yeah. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna order. Adrian, they're ordering. And look at all that coming down. a fan over here.
Yeah, it feels so much better.
Yep. I'm gonna sit over here. Hang on. I'm gonna go outside for a minute. Let me know if my food comes.
Okay, I'll let you know.
And record the rain. Yep. Look at all this coming down. It is indeed pouring. Adrian. Uh-huh. Yep, look at it pouring. My food still has 10 more minutes to go, so Adrian's got his food already, but I still have to wait 10 more minutes for my food. Yep. Adrian eating his food. Yeah, what?
I'll have me one chicken mini.
One chicken mini.
With barbecue sauce.
Cool. My food is finally ready. I got 2 breasts. What? Alright, I'm gonna take my food home. I was gonna eat here, but it's too hot and I just wanna let it cool off a little bit, so.
Okay.
And yep, it's still raining. Okay, thank God. Oh shit. Thank God the door is unlocked. Oh shit. I don't want my bag of food to get wet.
Neither do I.
Or anything else.
Put on some classic shit, yo.
Brown chicken and pasta. It tastes better.
Damn, baby, all I need is a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Get it cracking in the club when you hear the shit. Drop it like it's hot, put the whip in that back. Go shake that thing, you work that thing. Let me see it go up and down. Rotate that thing, I wanna touch that thing when you make.
When was the first time your dad heard this song?
I think in 2006, the summer, like in June or July.
Damn, and a year after it came out.
Yep.
You hear that? The rumbling noise?
Yeah.
You know what that is?
What?
I ain't trying to be trying to get my drink on. Now my diamonds, my fitted and my mink on. I'ma pick it at the bar till it's time to go. And I'ma get shorty, yeah, and I'ma let her know. All a nigga really needs is a little bit. Not a lot, baby girl, just a little bit. We can head to the crib in a little bit. I can show you how I live in a little bit. I don't know about your pants just a little bit. Take them all up and down just a little bit. Get the kissing and touching a little bit. Get the licking it a little bit. Coming out your stereo.
What the fuck?
Whoa.
I could have flooded the engine with that.
Yeah.
I didn't even know there was a big puddle. Oh my god.
Wow, it is pouring.
Yeah.
I believe it was raining. This is harder than it was raining back on Monday or Tuesday when you came over. It was Tuesday.
Yeah, tell me about it.
With my chicken here. Minnie and Dexter are trying to steal my food. Yep. Hang on.
This copyrighted telecast is presented by authority of the Office of the Commissioner.
Yep.
Or retransmitted in any form, and the accounts and descriptions of this game may not be disseminated without express consent.
Yep, it is.
Yasiel Puig with an RBI
That
double.
was the best
Charlie
game.
Culberson with a single to tie this game. Jose Quintana running into.
Warnings, flash flood.
Yeah.
I need to be careful, don't go in puddles. If you could just slow down, just be careful coming home, okay?
Alright.
And focus, because you are more important than the Cubs, okay?
Okay.
And be careful of the flash floods, because it's a flash flood warning everyone. Be careful under the bridges, okay?
Yeah.
Adrian, it's very important that you understand.
Yes, I understand this. I'm getting a little bit of experience.
Okay, very good. Just drive safely and keep the distance because it's wet and it's gonna be slippery. Okay, and the speed, make it a little bit under because it's gonna be very bad conditions.
Yeah, and it's dark outside, so you never know when your car is gonna hit the puddle.
Yes, and back to the gym, people drink and all that, so you kind of have to watch that. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, it's a triple whammy. Triple whammy. It's dark outside, we got flash floods, and we got drunken drivers.
Yes, so I need you to please be careful coming home.
Okay.
So hopefully the Cubbies are gonna do something in the night.
Hope so.
Yeah, I hope so too.
Alright, sweetie, enjoy the last inning and please be careful coming home.
Okay.
Alright, say hi to everyone.
Alright. Bye-bye.
Alright, I'm gonna wrap up this video.
See you later.
Hopefully, maybe next weekend you can come over again.
Hope so too.
And hopefully it's not raining, so maybe we can go to the ballpark. But yeah, see ya. Goodbye, guys. I'll do more vlogs and any type of video I do on this channel. Bye.